Hey, Jim from Delta Mountain Custom Models. I got a pair of Atlas C424s, Canadian Pacific. Added Tsunami sound and ditch lights to them. Also added the Canadianized sand hatch. Moved the horn. Put the Sinclair antenna on and a side bell. One has a side bell missing because I don't have it in yet. So I just wanted to show the sound of the lighting really quick. I still need to program in the ditch lights so they'll flash, but that's just regardless. One is action red and the other one is the brighter red. And that's it. They're just they're ready to weather. So as soon as they're weathered, they'll be finished. I add the wipers to them at the end because they got the A-line wipers, so they usually pop up if I try to when I mask the window. So I just leave them off until the very end. Okay, well, thanks for watching. I just wanted to get this out for my clients so you can see the lighting job on the units, because I didn't add the pilot plow because I would have to cut basically the entire front off to put the pilot plow, because the molded plastic on the C424s has this molded plow on it and there isn't anything underneath it. So anyhow, thanks for watching. Bye.